watching you? Am I watching you? Uh-oh. It's about to biff. Are you gonna catch it or are you gonna let it hang out? What will you do? What will you do? There it went. You're already learning to throw things on the floor so Mommy can pick them up, huh? Okay, here, let's zoom in to say goodbye. There's a smile.